My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Welcome to day 10. This is all about planks, body weight planks. We're going to ease into them with some nice stretches, working our core outward for some beautiful and optimal performance enhancements. Today's random question is, what is your favorite Alfred Hitchcock movie? Comment below if something inspires you. The sun is coming and going, my friends, so we'll deal with that. Let's begin with cat-cow, breathing in the nose, out the nose. Always modify as needed and use control. It's your workout. And invite your friends to this challenge. Always invite. Bring them all in. Hands and knees position. Cat-cow position. Inhale, round up. Articulate the spine. Exhale, drop the stomach down. Draw the shoulders back. Back and forth. Full spinal articulation as we start to drive the hands into the ground, creating that nice mold where we can add some planks. Inhale, round up, tuck the chin, upper back towards the sky, and then drop down. Let's do two more each one. Think of this as planks 101, beginners to advanced. I'll make sure I tailor it in a short amount of time for everybody to get a nice workout, nice challenge, and energize you for your day, for your week. Did I just do an extra one? Oh, here we go. Drop it down. It's a beautiful thing. Now, tuck the toes. Left hand comes slightly in front of the shoulders. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's go back and forth. Actually, let's switch that breath. Exhale, inhale. There's the sun. You could bend this elbow if you want, but we're opening up the sides. The ducks are having a great time out there. There's some fake ones and real ones. A little warm today in Florida, so the bugs are out. Also looks like the planks might be out. Pull down. Down. Once more each side. Boom. Boom. It's fabulous stuff. Hands under the shoulders. Knees under the hips. Press. Press away, elbows in. Bird dog, but let's freeze it. Right leg, left arm. Hold it right here. 5 breaths. A version of the plank, anything where we're holding ourselves up, requiring the core, the abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Also core stability and balance. And send the breath into that plank. Send it into the pose. Send that gnat on its way. Okay, as always, take little looks around. Other side. Right arm, extend. Left leg, try to keep it balanced. You're going to do some of this. That's good. Your body's adapting. It's adapting in real time. That's why I favor these kinds of videos where we do it together. I don't just show you a bunch of random stretches and exercises and say, here you go. Let's plug them into a coherent workout and flow so our body adapts right here, right now. One more breath. Back and forth. See how that balance is. Let's do 10 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Core stability. 4, 5, 6. Nice and easy. Smooth. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good fun. Bring the forearms down. Knees go back behind the hips. Modified forearm plank, or just jump right into the full one here. 5 breaths. Arms are parallel. As you exhale, squeeze the abs. Good. Little movements. Little ducks on the pond. Good. Planks are great warm-ups. They also energize us. They get the blood into the core. Now side plank. Forearm down. You could stay here with the legs bent, lift up, or extend the legs. And there we are. Hand on the hip or arm up to the sky. 5 breaths. Good. Got to ease into them. This is my first physical movement of the day. So you got to be smart. You want to get the blood flowing, get the brain functioning, get your body online with what you're going to do. Look at that spider. There you go. They always want to come over here. All right, other side. Forearm plank. Pull that side up and in. 5 breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Yes. One more breath. Breathe deep. And back. Forearm plank. Knees down. Or the full big one. Big Lebowski right here. 5 breaths. Relax the jaw, relax the face, the neck. Work your way up. Practice planks every day. You'll be doubling and tripling and quadrupling your time held with control. All right, side plank again. Here we go. 5 breaths. Work on the foundations. You can also extend the arm. Nice stretch down the side, I must say. All right, the silence of the breath. Should we do both sides? Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, hi, do both sides. Balance it out, my friend. There we are. Planks are also fun to do with your friends, family, teammates, coaches, teachers, or maybe somebody you don't like and they've never done them before. Make them do this. Watch them shake, but they'll thank you for it. 2 more breaths. Wearing pants today. How about that? Sean's wearing pants. All right. Swivel those legs around. A little shake out. Could be a lot of pressure on the shoulders, so keep them loose. Let me show you a reverse forearm plank. Forearms down. Line them up as best you can underneath the shoulders. Point the toes. Little lift here. You could start here. It's nice. No matter what we're doing, we're still opening up the body, opening up the breath. The chest is expanding, the shoulders are backing down. If you want more, and this is quite a bit more, you lift your butt up. 5 breaths, either one. It's like a long bridge pose. The reverse forearm plank. Always a challenge. Let that jaw be loose. Tongue is relaxed on the bottom of the mouth. The breath, of course, is moving in and out. Ooh, little shaking. All right, come on, seated position. Adding in the stretches as always. Right foot over the left. Twist to the right. Let's go back and forth. Oh, keep your body very elastic, very pliable. Healthy muscle tissues that the blood can flow unimpeded into all parts of the body. That's why any kind of rotational training is so important. All right, let's switch sides. Right leg, left foot across, and we go side to side. Maintain good posture. Shoulders back and down. Look at those clouds. I like when the sun's out. It's good natural light, but it's a little cooler for me. I appreciate that. When the sun comes out, the sweat, it's like the scene in an airplane when he's landing the plane. Just keeps going right in the eyes. Just want to wish you all good luck. We're all counting on you. Okay, one more time each side. Very nice. Drop that shoulder. Drop this shoulder. And then reverse forearm plank. Once again, your new favorite, right? Gonna write a poem about it, a haiku, some limericks. have its poster in your room, so lift up here. Arching the back, a nice back bend, or all the way up. Let's do 7 breaths. Oh, I just did that on the spot. Let's see if we can do that. We will. Because it's day 10, 2022, or whenever you're doing this. I want to make these workouts to be timeless. Anytime, any place. See that? Did I catch that on film? 2 more breaths. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Okay, bring it back, my friends. Let's do tabletop. Actually, bird dog on a diagonal, then tabletop. So we take the right leg out on an angle, left arm out. Like that. Let's start with the right leg, left arm, hold 5 breaths. What I used to call this, the awkward airplane. That's it. When I taught at Disney World, I always visualize the conference rooms at Disney World when I taught there. I taught this one a lot. I've taught a lot of live classes. Love it. Probably over, I don't know, around 10,000, I think. Would you? Okay. Thank you. Good. Balance and stability, breath, focus. So many things that can be neglected today. All right. Left leg out. Right arm. If that's too much for right now, keep the hands down. Just do the leg. There's always an option. 4 more breaths. All right, press it back, child's pose. Flip the palms up for a moment, sway side to side. Let's release the back. You'll have better integrity in your planks if you add some movement in between. Nice stretches, nice bends, nice movements. It's like a little mini massage in between, keeping the muscles looser as opposed to keep hammering away at them. It's always a contraction, release, contraction, release. Okay, shoulders back and down. My foot itches. Hands are on the shoulders. Classic plank right here. If you want to add on, leg lifts 10 times. We inhale up, exhale down. This is a very original Pilates exercise. Stabilizing, try not to lift your bum as the leg comes up. 5, 6, you can flex the foot. 7, that's what I'm going to do. 8, 9, and 10. Let's bring that forearm down again once more. You can also place the hands down. I like to use the forearm for the side plank. So we're here. If you want, do a little tap. Bring the arm forward and then reach up. Whatever you're doing, let's do 5 breaths. And once more. All right. Oh, sweating already. And side plank. Do it up here. With the hand, I'm going to stay on the forearm. I prefer that. My wrists feel good. I like to rest them when I can. All right, 5 breaths. There's that nice little reach and then lift. Take the arm back for a twist. And open. It's beautiful. Back to the plank. Alternating leg lifts, if you like, 10 times. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, press it back. Child's pose. Palms up. Swaying side to side. Beautiful. Back and forth. There's thousands of plank variations. We're hitting some big foundational ones today. Stretch it out. Let's do one more. and then finish it off. And that's a beautiful day 10 right there. I want these to be very accessible workouts anywhere, anytime. Forearms down. We're gonna do 10 breaths, add a pulse if you like. I like the pulse. It stretches my shoulders, so I inhale forward, exhale back, slowly. So 10 breaths, here's 2. And 3, smelling the grass. 4, as you exhale, flex the abs. Good. 5. 6, slowly. Ooh, arm shaking a little bit. 7. Squeeze. 8. 9. Once more. And 10. All right, knees down, my friends. Sitting back, shoulder rolls, beautiful work. Huh. Excellent work. Make sure you subscribe, like, click that notification bell, and keep inviting your friends to these videos and this challenge. I appreciate it. Today's random question is, which Alfred Hitchcock movie is your favorite? I have not seen all of them. I've seen quite a few. I do really, really enjoy Rear Window, Jimmy Stewart, Ginger Rogers, and Raymond Burr, Mr. Perry Mason himself. Excellent work, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. God bless you, and keep on planking.